Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen, and you're most welcome to my page. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for dropping by. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful lemonade braid you see me doing right now. So I just need you to focus, watch the video step by step. There's one thing about lemonade braids when it comes to how to part it. Some people do it in different ways. You just have to be creative about it. But you saw the picture from the beginning, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did mine to come out that gorgeous. I think I made like 3 braids before starting, but you can see that when it comes to lemonade braids, you don't really part it so straight, like from one end straight to the other end. Why? Because of the pattern you have somewhere around the middle. Usually if you cut it straight, you don't have the extra hair that will help you to create that formation, if you understand what I mean, and if you know lemonade braids very well. So for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always being an encouragement to me. I love you all, and I really appreciate you. I appreciate you watching my videos, sharing, telling your friends, and I really hope that honestly it has been very helpful to you. You can let me know in the comment section below any videos you'd like to see, for makeup, for hair. Just let me know. And I've been posting videos of some meals I make these days. I think I posted 1 or 2 recently. I really don't know if you guys would like to see more of that on my channel. Because I also do lifestyle, but I'm not really much of the vlogging type. So yeah, that is just going to be part of what you see on the lifestyle. Okay, so back to why we're here. You have to be very careful in your parting, like I said, and she wanted them not to be too large, so it's kind of like medium small or small medium, however you like to call it. So I just do this and follow it gently to make sure the size is the same, and to further get clear and crisp parts, I used the shine and jam, applied it on the part I created, then used the top part of the rat tail comb I have right there to further clear the part I made, then brushed each side to their various compartments. So I brushed the top part of the hair, the rest of the hair that I didn't part, I brushed it upwards, and the one I had already parted, I brushed it downwards just to remove any tangled hair or knots. So what I did was to feed in this braiding hair gradually, and I first of all start braiding with her hair like 3 or 4 times. Then I add a very tiny piece of hair, which you can almost count the strands that you have in there. So sometimes if the hair is too light in front where I'm starting, I add the hair at the right and on the left also, to have like a better grip of the hair. Then I braid it for like 2 or 3 times depending, before I continue adding hair. So she wanted that really tiny starting, and then it just becomes bigger gradually as you keep going. That's one beautiful thing about feeding braids. And there's a difference between feeding in braids this way these days from the Ghana weaving we used to know, which you have to cross it over. This one looks more natural, and I'll go with this one any day, anytime. I feel like Ghana braids looks too artificial, like this is not my hair kind of look. It just has that, oh, this is not my hair, it's something I attached on my head kind of thing. And no matter what you do when it comes to fashion and style and beauty, you have to make it look as natural as possible. Let it not show. If you do your makeup, it shouldn't be showing that, oh, you did makeup today. Except, of course, one of the crazy things we like to do sometimes, trying new things. But on a regular, you should always do the makeup or hair that suits the event you're going for. Back to the business. So look more closely. You can zoom in if you'd like to see what I'm doing. So you see me making that before I start adding the hair. So not adding hair from the beginning of the braids also help to protect her baby hairs and her natural hair, because her hair is very soft. She has very soft and nice hair. So if you add hair from the beginning, mostly because of the pull from the braiding hair, it might end up causing a breakage if she has the hair in for long, or if you pull it too much, she might have like boils or bumps, swellings that come when you have someone braid your hair and they've pulled the life out of it. Yeah, so you see me how I feed in the braids. You can decide to, it depends on which hand you use to start your braids. So I'm right-handed, but I I like to add with my right hand. Some people are right-handed, they say add with left. Sometimes I can add with my left. I can start with my right, add with my right, start with my left, add with my left or right, whichever one. So it depends on how the position I take and how good it is for me. So this length of hair was like her waist length, and it took us about 5 hours because I had to be detangling, arranging the hair and all. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened to my camera. I think the space or something or someone called. I don't know, but the video I thought it was still on, but when I came back to check just to turn it off and ensure that it was on, I realized that when I made this middle section, it just didn't capture it. So basically, if you look at the way the hair is, you see the way I parted it, and then you can just follow from there and see how I got this. That's just basically it. So after doing this middle part, to ensure that when I'm making like the next round one from the front of her head, where she has the baby hairs directly, is going to like go straight into a round circle to the other side of her head, almost on the same point, before I make the rest the opposite direction. So yeah, that's it. I'm really sorry I wasn't able to capture that part, but I'm sure you guys will follow. If you've been following the pattern from the beginning, you'll just be able to look at this and see and know what it's like. So just keep watching. So you keep bringing from the middle, you keep bringing the cuts closer and closer to the tip, and then when you've created that um, design that shows all the hairs in the middle, like about 6 of them come from the same point, then you can now take the other one from the very beginning of her head all the way around, like I said earlier. So if you look at this now, it looks just about straight, and then after this braid we'll do the round one.
A few moments later.